Hello everyone, welcome to Students Point. This is 22nd of April and we will cover all the important current affairs of the day. First, let us see question for the day. You have to answer this question in the comment section. And on weekend, that is on Sunday, we will see how many of you were the most consistent throughout the week in answering all the questions correctly. So the question is, which became the first green state in the country with no case of coronavirus being reported since April 3rd? These are the options. Read the option carefully and then answer. And to get PDF of all these videos, you have to write Students Point 2020 on your Telegram app without any space. Just write Students Point 2020 and there you will get to the channel and press the join button. You will getting all the PDF thereon. Let's begin. The first question. The Apo Rizo Bridge has been built across. So the Apo Rizo Bridge has been built across Subansiri River. So here C is the right answer. And it has been recently inaugurated by Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh, Pema Khandu. And this bridge has been built by Border Road Organization. And Subansiri River is a tributary of Brahmaputra River and it joins Brahmaputra in Assam. This Subansiri River originates in Tibet. Next question. World Wide Help, that is WWH, has been developed by, so this WWH has been developed by IIT Bombay. So here B is the right answer. And it can be used to connect people seeking medical help with helpers such as doctors. The user can simply call a dedicated number and put basic data such as age of person in need of help and whom they wish to solicit help from. So this will connect the person in need for help and that person who will provide the help. And those who have not yet took the test, which we have started recently on Monday, I will upload that video in the end of the screen. Don't forget to take that test. It will test you that where you stand before examinations. It is going to help you a lot. And anyone who is thinking that you will just wake up one day and just go and sit in the examinations and some miracle will happen, believe me, this happens only rarely and not happens with everyone. So go and take that test. Do as many mistakes as you can here, but don't do any mistakes in your examinations. So I will share that video of that test in the end of the screen. Watch that video. And today I have also uploaded part 1 of video of weekly current affairs. In that part 1 of weekly current affairs, we have covered the current affairs of 3 days in a single video, that is from April 20th to April 22nd. It will cover your current affairs of 3 days in just one video. It will save your time. I will share the video at the end of the screen. Next question. India has strategic crude oil storage facilities at, so India has strategic crude oil storage facilities at Padur as well as in Mangalore as well as in Visakhapatnam. So here all A, B, C are correct. So D, that is all of the above, will be the right answer. Next question is again about strategic crude oil storage facilities. See, this strategic crude oil storage facilities has been constructed by Indian Strategic Petroleum Reserves Limited, in short ISPRL. So this statement is correct. Remember the institution, Indian Strategic Petroleum Reserves Limited, and this ISPRL is a special purpose vehicle which is a wholly owned subsidiary of Oil Industry Development Board under Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. So this statement is also correct. So both these statements are correct. C is the right answer. This ISPRL was founded in 2005. And why this strategic oil storage facilities are in use? Because oil prices throughout the world has gone down. So government is trying to fill these storage capacities to meet any emergency like situations. Next question. What is West Texas Intermediate, in short called as WTI? So West Texas Intermediate is a type of crude oil. So here D is the right answer. This is also known as Texas Light Sweet. I repeat, this WTI is also known as Texas Light Sweet. and it is a grade of crude oil used as a benchmark in oil pricing. It has a relatively low density, that is why it is called as light, and it is called as sweet because it's low sulfur content. Remember, it has low density and it has low sulfur content. Next question. Kisan Rath mobile application has been developed by, so this has been developed by NIC, that is National Informatics Center, and this was the previous day question. Next question. Consider the following statements about Ramzan. See, Ramzan is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar. This statement is right. It is the 9th month of Islamic calendar and it is observed by Muslims worldwide as a month of fasting to commemorate the first revelation of Quran to Muhammad. This is also correct. So here both these statements are correct. So C is the right answer. And Ramadan is also called as Ramadan or Ramjan or Ramadan or Ramadan. And the holy day of Eid al-Fitr marks the end of Ramzan and the beginning of the next lunar month, that is called as Shawwal. And they perform Tarawih during this month. This Tarawih is the extra prayers performed at night after Isha prayer. And those who are aware with the Ramzan should write in the comment section that what we call to the pre-fasting feed and post-fasting feed. In Hindi, that फास्टिंग के पहले का भोजन और फास्टिंग के बाद का भोजन को हम क्या कहते हैं. राइट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एनीवन हु इज अवेयर ऑफ इट. And why it was in news? Because WHO has recently issued guidelines for Ramadan practices in the context of COVID-19 and advised social distancing and virtual prayer meets. Next question. Consider the following statements about COVID-19 India Seva. See, COVID-19 India Seva. The platform will provide a channel of communication between citizens and the government. This is correct. And Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare Dr. Harshvardhan has recently launched this COVID India Seva. So this is also correct. So here again both these statements are correct. C is the right answer. Next question. Matterhorn Mountain is located in. So Matterhorn Mountain is located in Switzerland, which is in Europe. And this Matterhorn is a mountain of Alps bordering between Switzerland and Italy. It is sometimes referred to as Mountain of Mountains. Remember, it is sometimes referred as Mountain of Mountains. Why it was in use? Because Indian tricolor of more than 1000 meters in size was projected on Matterhorn Mountain, which is located in Zermatt, Switzerland, to express solidarity to all Indians in the fight against COVID-19. So don't forget to share these videos and like the video and subscribe to the channel. Answer the question in the comment section. Wait for the upcoming video. Until then, stay at your home, stay safe, and don't forget to take the test as well as watch the video of these 3 days in a single video. So till then, thanks a lot.